What's going on, Life RX? This is David. You guys know. Hi. David also work on the channel. He's the brain of this organization. So I'm gonna use David as a model, because David, he said he experienced some discomfort in his side, and like I said, all the time, most of the people, they sitting on one side more than other. Whatever you do, computers or desk job, you just get tired. After 2 hours, you get tired, and you want to find that comfortable position, and you lean. So that's mean the kinetic line is changed. Everything is pulled to one side and open another side. This is how our body work, and I'll show you this exercise how to reactivate those lines. It's a lot of bands exercise, but this is more safe way, and it's great for older folks and Fitball, because Fitball is amazing. So what we're doing here with Fitball, David don't know, he's just first time doing that. What we're going to do, we're going to stay on that knee, and we're going to go hug that ball, lean forward, and step with your arms. So this is like tabletop position. Remember the tabletop, we're doing that? So go ahead and lean on it. Knee first, coming up, come down. This is safety, yeah. So your brain, and you just roll. Here we go. What he's doing now, he's trying to drop that knee down, so feel that support, right? Yeah. So what I want you to do now, get that elbow against that ball, and I want you to push. Yeah, so only one elbow away, and he's pushing against that ball. So he try to squeeze and break that ball.
Just one elbow.
Just one elbow, yes. So he's doing one elbow. He's pushing that one elbow in, squeeze and relax. Breathe. Don't forget to breathe. You see, he's not breathing. I want him to breathe. So he's on inhale, you squeeze, and exhale, you relax. So inhale. So squeeze, pull, and relax. Okay. How's it feel? Do you feel what?
Good, yeah.
Okay. Try to do the other arm. So he's doing the
core too.
of course. So he's working on that left. Inhale. You see how struggled he is? That's the weak one? Do you feel more weakness or what? Describe it.
They're both kind of weak.
They're both weak. Okay, that's fine. Perfect. Go ahead. Squeeze and relax. 4 or 5 should be fine. You can do 10 if you don't feel anything, or squeeze harder. Now, I want you to both arm down. Try to support them and push through that heel. So try to push that leg. Just one leg. So I try to, and I hold this one. Push, squeeze, and we'll let it go. Squeeze again, squeeze. You see, I'm holding it so he's not raising that too much, and let it go. Push again. If you don't have a partner and no one can help you, that's absolutely fine if you raise a little bit up. This one is weak. Okay, we'll try the opposite one. So I keep it up here. You see, he's trying to shift that weights and everything. So you see, let it go. This week too, but watch. What he did, he started doing that, shifting that weight, and I can see it's hard for him to lift and push that knee that way. And let it go. Perfect. Now, the final one is going to be cross pattern. Remember, we need to activate this cross. So I want you to use this elbow and this leg. So he's doing cross. Squeeze between yourself. So he's squeezing. Push that like you try to squeeze that ball. Right there. You can also beat your right in here on the glutes. Get that muscle activation and feel that. Squeeze that force. It's also great if you do band stretching away. What do you feel that one? You see how he's struggling?
It's
hard. Okay, start shifted. This leg and left. Right leg, left arm. Try to squeeze it. You see how try to squeeze, push. If you know you can help him out, you see I'm helping out. Why not? Squeeze again. Push. Inhale. Exhale. Which one is weaker?
The right leg and the left arm.
Nice. And let it go. Next one, this is more for the therapist. You just let it go, your arm, completely relax and roll yourself forward. Don't worry, I'm control you. So you see, I'm support that ball with my leg so he's not going anywhere. I supposed to hang it up right here, okay? I'm just showing from this side. So I'm holding the ball this way and leg. So my client is great for massage therapist. I'm roll him more. I want him to tuck that chin and push and squeeze against that ball, like try to push against that ball. Yeah, squeeze that goddamn ball. Yeah, now this is only with a partner, okay? Now I want you to push this knee against the ball and relax, extend. Push and relax. Push like squeeze. So you see what he's doing here? He's activate that glutes. Push, squeeze. If you don't feel it, beat it up. Now I'm let him go. Let it go. Relax. Make sure he's relaxed. Drop that knee. I'm grab that sacrum and I start dragging this down. The opposite arm is coming this way, and I'm open this up. I can roll him up and down. Don't forget, like, don't do crazy in the beginning, because the person, he don't know what's going on. He's the first time, same as a David. Try to protect you. You feel good. You feel relaxed.
It feels like a very good
This way, or you stand up, you cover the bowl, you see that leg is covered, and all you do, just grab that. You see I'm grab that, and I pull.
Yeah,
Big inhale, and when he's exhale, you drag more. Now, yes. From here, I'm gonna ask him to push one knee towards the bowl. Only one knee. Relax. Push the other one. I want to see. Here we go, and let it go. Relax, drop, and more. So he do some action. Like I said, you can go grab this way. Just want to make sure you explain your client what you're going to do in the beginning, because, and don't use the fingers. It's always palm. We don't want to go that way. Only on the sacrum on the top. No here, no side. On the top. Here. Opposite arm, or this one is dragging back. So I'm pulling with my body, but this best way. Okay? How you get out the clients from this position? You roll him back up and tell him, yes, bend your knee, get your butt back, and slowly get up.
that was
Okay?
good. That
Now
was good.
you said push through that ball and drop your foot. Here we go. In deep squat. You see, he's rushing, he's here, and now he's pushing through the ball, and you get him up, especially for the older folks. How do you feel?
That feels much lighter. Yeah, very good. Your back is great. The core works. I mean, I feel more balanced because of the cross pattern.
Yeah. This is what's the call sport therapy. What's this sport therapy? No, it's not. This is the sport therapy. When you through the action, you feel your muscle, you release through your mind, through that hands, what's the manual therapy use, and that's what we're doing here in Los Angeles. In LifeRx, we can go to your house. You can also come to this beautiful clinic, and we can work with you. This is the key. If you're rushing to help yourself, to heal yourself, we're here to help. Okay, so book us, call us, ask the questions. Enjoy your day. Anything else to add?
No, I mean, it really does. It doesn't
Yeah.
look as powerful as it feels.
Yeah, do those exercise, bastards. If you're not, you're going to be suffering and be in pain. Now, bye.